Hello and welcome to Computer Retro Bus and Merry Christmas. In this episode we're going to go through games that have Christmas-based Easter eggs. So these are games that have special modes or things that are activated because it's Christmas Day. So a lot of these early developers, they built in special features that go through and check your system clock. And it checks if it is Christmas Day, it'll do something special or enable something in the game. How cool is that? I mean, just imagine being a kid, you know, late 80s, early 90s, early 2000s. Usually you've been given a game for Christmas and you get it at home, you put it in your machine and something new happens. How cool is that? So it's a really awesome feature. I didn't realize a lot of this existed. Someone actually in the comments mentioned it. They said, you know what, if you play Rise of the Triad on Christmas Day, these little things change. I thought, how cool is that? So what I've done is found other games that have the same method and I've got them on my machines and we'll run through them and have some fun. And we'll also go through other Christmas games as well, in the Christmas spirit. Why not? So stick around and let's get to it. Okay, so these games, they triggered a special feature because it was Christmas Day. So it actually checked your system date. So I'll go into the BIOS and change my BIOS to Christmas Day. Date and time. Wow, this is really out. Okay, 25. The year is not important. Save and exit. Well, let's start Tyrian up. First thing it's going to say is Christmas has been detected. How awesome is that? It's actually checking the date on the BIOS and it's Christmas. Do we want to activate it? Yes, we do. All right. It's Christmas. Here we go. It's Christmas. I love it. It's shooting candy canes. Oh, yes. How cool is that? Oh, Christmas ornaments. Oh, man. All right, double candy canes. I love how this game had the perspective as well. So as you turn, as you go side to side, the screen shifts. So it's beyond just a fixed width, like a lot of these top-down shooters used to be. So it keeps a bit of 3D perspective. How things shift differently to the levels they are below. Gives it a bit more of a 3D effect. Oh, here we go. Quad cane. Alright, let's try next level. Oh. Alright, things are getting crazy now. Oh, this level's much tougher. Oh, look at the hits. Look at the heat-seeking missiles. They're gift boxes. That is so cool. Oh, look at them. Oh. Heat-seeking gift boxes. How cool is that? Look at them. Heat-seeking presents. Oh, and the odd Christmas ornament that it shoots out as well. That is so cool. That is so cool. Oh, they bounce off the walls as well. That is pretty cool. Oh, look at that. Firepower is out of control. Candy canes, Christmas ornaments, it's all happening. Oh, all right. Holiday season completed. I think the missiles are Christmas trees. That's so cool. Anyway, that's enough of that. Let's move on to our next game. Okay, so next one is Rise of the Triad. So this is supposed to detect that it is Christmas as well. Alright, there we go. He's got the Christmas hat on. Listen to the music. The Christmas music. Alright. There we go. I must say, I love this Christmas song that it's got going. Whoa. What? God mode. Wow. That's pretty cool. What is this yawning? Wow. Oh, this thing's still bouncing around, taking them all out. Be nice if it had a crosshair. Alright. Enough of that one, but yeah, cool little, small little change, but pretty fun one for Christmas. Okay, so maybe something a little bit more modern now, Simpsons Hit Run. So I have a Windows XP machine here. I'm going to change the date. Alright, come on. This game has so many intros. Yep, so many intro logos, come on. There we go, look at that. So yeah, look, see the Christmas tree. Homer is dressed in the good old Santa suit, that's pretty cool. Yeah, so this only shows on Christmas Day. So yes, this game also has this feature enabled for Halloween and Thanksgiving Day as well. So you get the special screen rather than the regular one. But otherwise, the game, hey Barney, the game is pretty much the same. It's just that one screen, which is pretty cool. There we go. Yeah, otherwise the gameplay is pretty much the same. Let's roll. This is such a cool game. Whoa, here's Nate. Oh, there's Neddy. Hey mate. Morning Ned. Collect 6 of Ned's lost items. Whoa, man, this game was a bit demanding. I've got a pretty beefy system in this. You know what, we'll change the date and we can have a look at The Simpsons on Halloween Day. Yeah, cool. Yeah, there we go. So we can see the pumpkins. Skeleton. Yeah. Spider webs and stuff. That's pretty cool as well. Okay, here's another classic. Crusader No Regret. Okay, so you can see it's automatically detects that it's Christmas. Okay, let's start a new game. Take it easy. This game, I struggle with this game. I'm not the best skilled at this one. So here we go. Got the techno Christmas carol songs going here. This is so cool. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, Jingle Bells techno version. Hey. Oh god, this game is so difficult to control. Use a mouse and keyboard. Oh, Frosty the Snowman. Yeah, this is a good fun one. Alright, we'll leave that one there. Right, Jazz Jackrabbit. This is a Christmas one, so the Christmas themed games. Holiday Hair, 1995. Yep, so it's just a good old Jazz. Oh, what is he firing? Who needs Sonic, eh? We got Jazz here. Whoa. There we go. Yeah, so just, this is a classic, really classic Christmas game. A lot of people are probably familiar with this one. Let's go Jetpack Christmas version. Alright. So this is your good old Jetpack that we're all pretty familiar with. But we've got Santa. Santa's collecting all the gifts. There we go. Come on, Sants. Oh, what a jump. Oh my god, I must have this on really slow mode. Alright, let's get our Jetpack. There we go. Go thrust. Oh, ha 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 ha. Alright. Oh, that robot really comes for it, doesn't he? Alright, the door's open. Run, Santa. Run. Oh, it's like Indiana Jones. Yeah. So there we are. These games are awesome. I mean, this is not like DLCs or things you have to download. These were built into the games, waiting for that one special day to trigger. How cool are they? I must say, they bring back just so much nostalgic fun and happiness. In the comments, tell me about your experiences. Some of the games that I might have missed that also have these sorts of Easter eggs that trigger on a specific day. Very cool. So I hope these brought back some cool retro memories and holiday cheer back to you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in our next retro adventure.